Hey guys, Ralph here, and today I'm going to show you how to remove the front bumper of your Nissan Juke. Here's our wheel arch molding, and inside this there's one screw that needs to be taken out, as well as on the bottom is the plastic rivet needs to be taken out as well. Once we remove the bottom plastic rivets, you can now try to pull out the wheel arch molding to expose this screw. You just need to pull it out halfway and not all the way down. Once you expose the screw, remove it using a 10mm socket and ratchet. So here's the bottom of the bumper. We have two 10mm screws that needs to be removed, both on each side. On top of the bumper, we have 6 plastic rivets that needs to be removed as well. After removing those 6 plastic rivets, you're now good to pull the front bumper. Just start on one side, then the other. Just be careful pulling because the fog light is still connected to the wire. Here's our fog light, and it's been connected to the bottom of the headlight. And this is the wire that's been connected to the fog light. You just need to press this black clip to release the fog light. I'm going to replace this headlight as well. To remove it, you just need to remove those 3 screws with 10mm socket and ratchet. Since this space is tight, it's much easier if you're going to use an open socket wrench to remove those screws. So we just installed our new headlight. You just need to put those 3 screws back, 2 on the top and 1 on the side, and you're good. And don't forget to connect the headlight as well. Install those two rivets back for the wheel arch molding, and install back those 6 plastic rivets for the top part of the bumper. So we just finished installing these plastic rivets. We got 1, 2, and 3 on this side, and the other side 1, 2, and 3. Total 6 plastic rivets for the top part of the bumper. And don't forget to put back the 4 10mm screws on the bottom part of the bumper. And that's how you remove front bumper on your Nissan Juke, as well as replacing headlight. And if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe, and